but mine came cuter than the other one I saw on YouTube. Weavers.
What is it in
Backwards.
here? Weavers. I never seen here.
I got the pink one. I think. Yeah, I got the pink one. It comes with a special gift inside. Okay, we'll do the special gift in a minute.
What is in there? Nothing.
Jack in the Box.
Ah! Oh my! It is this Jack in the box.
It's gonna pop up or something?
It's a little toy, all a little small toy that's Jack in the box.
Wait,
Pull out from here, it says.
oh,
Ah! It's a pop out.
I can't read in Korean, but I'll look up what it says.
whatever. That's it? Ah, I don't like it. You know, you gotta put it together now.
Oh my god.
I think it could have been better. It should have been just a regular
See,
CD.
and then you just download it like this. How to
See
use
Jack
Weavers
in the
and
box.
stuff.
White and
I think it could have been better.
we tried for the white and pink thing.
That's it.
Wait, stop.
Destiny, don't touch.
I'm not done yet. There's still stuff in here. This is the special gift since I was the early bird.
Early bird.
Early bird catches the worm.
Early bird catches the worm.
It's like the... it comes with the photo card to keep it safe.
Bring it down a little bit, second.
Arson.
Burn.
It's like a... Oh, wait, it comes with two.
If you don't want me to catch your face, you need to leave it down. Okay. Okay.
It's like
It's
acrylic.
see-through.
This is like a little book.
Oh.
Weaver shop. And then...
I'm invisible.
That's it.
I'm invisible that doesn't let me see.
That's it. I think the pictures are cute. I'm just gonna download the album on Weavers, even though I have it on Apple. It's okay.
Am I invisible? Oh no, yeah, yes I am. But yeah, I'm not invisible.
But don't it turn into a box? Can you put that into a box? Stop, Des.
Okay.
Yeah, you like fold it like how it was. It was like this.
No, but
What's the
And then like
but
this.
doesn't it like a pop up like it's then
No.
like you put it through? Yes, it does.
I'm going in my room.
Oh. I think it could have been better.
Like the toy. It could have been
It's
like
a
pop-up
Weavers
toy.
album.
Been like
Okay.
Hey. Show it again. Jack in the Box.